How to make Instagram story icons smaller. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. If you think your Instagram stories icon are bigger in size and are not normal size, go to your profile icon and then tap on the menu bar from your top right corner. After that, scroll down and then go to help. Now go to report a problem and then go to report without shaking. Now go to don't include and continue. Now all you have to do is type my Instagram story icons are bigger in size than normal. I want help to fix that and then upload the screenshot of your story icon and send them. Rest is on Instagram Support Center. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.